Say hello to the latest innovation in cleaning technology. Introducing the Whale, the first handheld vacuum cleaner you'll never want to hide away. With its stunning design, crafted from liquid aluminum, the Whale is the appliance which blends seamlessly in any space.
I decided to create the Whale in the light of my experience as an architect and interior designer. I want to create objects that people want to exhibit and which can be integrated easily in their environment. I choose an essential form, purely inspired by nature, in order to celebrate its organic perfection and encourage people to reflect on the beauty of simplicity within the diversity of their own home and offices.
The lightweight construction of the Whale and its ergonomic design make it a breeze to handle. The sleek aluminum body fits perfectly in your hand, allowing you to navigate effortlessly around your home, car, and office. Another innovation brought by the Whale is the suction nozzle, which has been rethought in order to allow for the natural movement of the hand from left to right, while ensuring efficient cleaning and leaving your surfaces spotless. The Whale is made to be enjoyed for life. It's a high-quality premium product, so powerful and robust that you can rest assured it will not break down easily.
The fact that the Whale is both a great appliance and a super decor object is a premier in this industry. Back our project to reach our founding goal in order to bring you this amazing product.
Back our project today and catch our Kickstarter limited discount offers.